Hi everyone, I'm Gina Malik. In today's video, I want to share with you 3 valuable tips for starting an AI automation agency. These tips will help you to lay down a strong foundation for your agency and to set you up for success in a fast-growing industry. So let's dive in. Number 1, specialize in a niche. To stand out in the AI automation field, it is important to establish your agency as a specialist in a specific niche. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or retail, choose an industry that you're passionate about and that you can provide a tailored solution to. This would help you to attract clients who are looking for your expertise in a specific domain. Number 2, build a strong team. As an agency, you'll need to find talented and diverse team of experts to deliver exceptional AI automation solutions. Recruit professionals with a strong background in data science, machine learning. Collaborate with experienced developers, data analysts, and project managers. Building a strong team will ensure that you can provide the highest quality service to your clients. Number 3, focus on continuous learning. You have to learn this business. Learn about all the tools, all the technologies, and also encourage your team to do the same thing. Attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, encourage your team to pursue certificates in AI and automations. With all of this, you'll keep yourself ahead of the curve, but also instill confidence in your clients that you are equipped to tackle their challenge. By implementing these 3 tips, you can establish a successful AI automation agency that stands out in the market and becomes a trusted partner for businesses seeking automation solutions. Good luck on your journey.